Hi, I'm Donna, and I'm a mentor. So today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite lipsticks and lip gloss combinations. So I've swatched the 3 shades on my hand. At the top here we have Peach Please in matte, Pretty in Pink in matte, and Brown Bear in matte. And for these combinations I'm going to use Correlation with Peach Please, Crayon with Pretty in Pink, and Berry Me with Brown Bear. So first I'm going to apply the Peach Please on my lips and follow that up with the Correlation lip gloss. And what I really like about these shades is that they're not super drying, they're very moisturizing, and the lip gloss is non-sticky. You can have 1 swipe for a sheer application or 2 to 3 swipes for full coverage. So next up, I'm going to apply the Pretty in Pink. And then overlay that with the Crayon lip gloss. And all of the lipsticks are highly pigmented. They have 3 reds in matte and 9 neutral nude shades in a semi-matte and matte finish. So for my last duo, I'm going to apply the Brown Bear lipstick, as well as the Berry Me lip gloss, just to give it a little bit of a pink tint. It's very subtle, natural looking. I like this look. Thanks for watching.